Sherlock Holmes here. Watson there. Oh, Mr. Holmes, I'm so glad you're here. It's murder, Mr. Holmes. Murder. Just calm down. Dr. Watson and I'll have this case solved in no time, right, Watson? Of course. Holmes could solve any crime by simple process of deduction. Yes, sir. The body of Lord Bottomley is right over there. Great heavens! Don't look, Watson. It's too horrible to gaze upon. What manner of fiend could have done this? Actually, I'm feeding Mr. Butler. Lord Bottomley was over there. Aceman shot. It was... Yes. Give me the moment. Of course. I risk feeling the butler for the murder of Lord Bottomley. Amazing! Preposterous! Elementary! The butler's fingerprints are on this glass. There's a photo of the butler committing the murder. The weapon in question registered the butler's name. And finally, an eyewitness, the maid, who will seal his doom. Excuse me. So you see, Watson, pure deduction in the face of the evidence brings us to the only possible conclusion, and that is that the butler did it. Oh, but Holmes, there is no evidence, so your logic is wrong. Logic is never wrong, Watson. If there is no evidence that the butler did it, and I certainly didn't do it, then the inescapable conclusion, Watson, is that you're the murderer. Stop. Well then, now the inescapable conclusion is that, with no evidence and no killer, there was no murder.